Hello, my friends. In this video, we are going to create the AddJournal layout for the activity. So, first, let me continue some codes that we have in the sign up activity. I need to create a journal user, get instance, set user ID, and set user name. Now, let's edit the layout inside the add_journal.xml layout file. Now, let's create a new drawable called gradient add journal, and let me paste this shape. And inside this shape, the gradient. These are the gradients. You can pause the video and you can get them. And I will add and assign the background to them. Okay, it's very simple. You can download also the source code. So I'm increasing the speed of the video in order not to waste your time and waste my time also, and be professional and concentrating on the code, not the layouts and the designs. Okay, so it's very simple now. I'm creating the image view, adding the constraints to it, and making the margins, the width, and the height. Okay, and making the ID post_image view. Now the text view here is 100 dp, 40 dp for width and height. The ID post username underscore text view, and the text would be title, post title. Okay, and the text size is 24 sp. I increased the margin end to 8 dp, the margin start 8 dp, and the constraint start to end is parent. And the horizontal bias is 0.084. I prefer putting them like this because after testing and making and having a big experience in creating the layouts, I found this is the best way how to design the layouts, how to add the constraint, and I prefer this amazing layout. This is the amazing constraint layout in addition in adding, dragging, dropping, and so on. Okay, and it has a lot of functionality and flexibility. Now let's add the text view. Its ID is post_date_ the text view. Margin start and end is 8 dp, and the text is post date. The size is 18 sp, and these are the constraints under this post title. Okay, you can edit your own widgets and the layouts and so on, and it's up to you, but I prefer this design. I will create a new image view. This is the post. This is where we can get the post image view, and this is the post camera button. So I will display an icon that allows the user to click on it, so the user can select one image from the app gallery and the phone gallery. Okay, so this button image view will act as a post camera button. Android drawable, I can get an IC menu underscore camera. This is found, and it's already inside Android package, so you can go and get it. Okay, so here we have a image view. We have created an image view. When the user click on it, it can go to open the gallery and allow the user to select one of the image view from the images from the gallery. Now let's create a shape called input_outline. The stroke would be having a color attribute transparent. The width is 1 dp, and the corner has a radius attribute 6 dp. Let's save, and now let's make the background to this edit text as input outline layout that we have it. Okay, so you see guys, we have removed the border, the below border or the bottom border of the edit text. Okay, now let's add more attributes to this edit text, and I will make it below the post date and post title. Okay, and the button of the image view. So you see, guys, we have now one edit text. There is another edit text we need to create, which is edit text, which is having an ID post underscore description et edit text. Okay, now let's add some margins from start and top and the end. Okay, and the background would be drawable underscore input outline and EMS 10 and hint thoughts. Okay, you see it appears from now the padding 15 dp. And now let's add the input type, which is the text multi-line. So this is a description for your post or the user posts. Okay, layout constraint to end and horizontal bias 0062. Okay, constraint top of post title et, and this is good. So you see how we have added the constraints. And now let's add the margin start to this also. Okay, now there is a progress bar and a button. Now let's configure the progress bar. I will create a style as a circular progress bar, and the ID would be post underscore progress bar, and the layout margin start 8 dp, margin top 28 dp, and the layout margin end is 8 dp, and the constraint end to end of the parent. Okay, so there are many constraints, many attributes in this layout. You can download also the source code if you want to save time, but I prefer writing your code by your own hand. Okay, yes. So open your Android Studio and follow my code. This is the way you can memorize and save the code and save how you can and practice and get experience without copying and pasting. Okay. I'm creating a button here called save button, and this ID post save button, journal button. And I'm making the text here, extracting the string resources, and the text color will be black. Constraint button to button of parent. Okay, so approximately this is our layout, and we have finished it. If there is any change, we can change it later on running. So thank you, guys. I hope you benefit from this video and other videos, so don't miss to rate us 5 stars.